Hey guys, I'm Yihao Wu, the leader of Team Spark Tech. Today, I would like to introduce you about our project. Okay, first, why we did this project? So, we all know it is not a rare phenomenon for empty nest elderly people to have sudden illness at home alone. A considerable part of these causes are caused by the serious illness and even deaths due to the untimely rescue and failure to detect the potential health risks in time. So in places where the elderly people gather, such as activity in nursing homes and some other places like this, so due to the lack of manpower, it is a very big problem that all of the elderly people cannot be monitored in timely by using manpower alone. So this is impossible. So there's an urgent need to use existing technology to effectively monitor the health of the elderly, especially the empty nest elderly people. So the first part is the hardware implementation of this overall project. In this hardware part, we have the infrared ray sensor, we have the night vision camera, and we have the camera routing pin, and the motion detector radar, and the temperature sensor, and also the main part of this project, and also the Raspberry Pi. All of this external circuit and sensors will connect to the Raspberry Pi, and the deep learning model will be run on this Raspberry Pi. And also all of the data will be transmitted to the internet by Raspberry Pi via Wi-Fi. The second part is the software implementation. So we have 6 modules in this software implementation part. We need to do the data acquisition, we need to do the image processing, because we need to acquire the data from the night vision camera and the infrared ray sensor. We need to process this type of data. We need to transfer this original data and generate, for example, the grayscale infrared image through this algorithm. And also we need to do the interpolation, and also the camera rotation control part is also included in the software part. And also one of the most important part is the CNN classification. This part is a deep learning part, and I will talk this part later. And the last, and this part is still working on it, it's a target detection, so that we can divide this all of the scenario into person and the environment to increase the accuracy. So in the deep learning part, we have I also have 6 steps to finish this part. So first, we need to design the structure of this CNN module. And also second, after we design the structure, we need some algorithm to realize it. In this project, I use TensorFlow, which is made by Google, to do the framework, to be the framework. And also all of the software are implemented by the Python and the C++. Then I need to create a data set to train this deep learning model, so that after training process, I also need to do the model testing. So for the testing part, we test almost all of the characteristics of this project. So first we test the very basic parts, the I2C communication. We test such as, for example, this infrared sensor are communicate with this Raspberry Pi through the I2C bus. So in this part, I test the I2C communication. And also, by the way, we also test the infrared ray sensor as well. The second, I need to test the camera rotation, so that I can ensure the data. I can ensure this camera can be rotated. And next is the temperature and humidity monitoring, and also the human detection. Human detection is a milliwave radar. That milliwave radar is used to detect whether there's a people, or whether there's a person existed in this scenario. Thank you for the listening, and I will see you guys in the contest. Bye bye. Good night.